Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and welcome to this new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this video we are going to fix the stretched texture, as you can see here on the screen now, so it will look something like this, and you can change the texture size however you want. So yeah, let's get started. So we have here this brick wall material. Let's open it. And here you can see we have the texture sample on the base color and another normal map on the normal. What we want to do here is we want to cut these links, so Alt and left click. Then we want to right click on both of these, convert to texture object, like that. Then what we have to do from the base color, we want to world aligned texture node, this one. And we want to connect it to the texture object. Now we want to get the X, Y, Z texture and we want to connect it back to the base color, like this. Okay, and now here to the normal, we want to get a world aligned normal, like this. And also here to the texture object. And now X, Y, Z texture to the normal. Okay, now you can see it's starting to look something like this. But how we can change the size? We want to right click and we want to search for a scalar parameter, like this. Let's actually move this a little bit further. Let's rename this scalar parameter to like size. And let's set the default value to be like 250. Okay, now let's connect this to the to the texture size on both of these, like this. Now when we save, and we go back to the third person map, now we can apply this to here, and actually I have done it already, as you can see. But how we can change it? We want to create a material instance. Now we want to set this material instance to this element. Now when we open this, we move it to here and we enable the size. Now you can see we can change the size here on the level and we can find the size that we want to use. Simple as that. So yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.